Today, we're looking at a cordless vacuum cleaner.
The Kalado.
Kalado is the company.
Cordless vacuum cleaner. Looking
Nice
forward
little
to this.
box.
So this is going to be a Mazzy review today.
Certainly is, because Mazzy does the vacuum cleaning. It's not that we're sexist, it's just she loves vacuum cleaning.
I know a good vacuum cleaner to a bad one, so I'm going to be totally honest with this. But looking forward to getting it out the box and trying it out.
I'll just quickly run through. It says Kalado Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 26 kPa powerful suction stick vacuum, 40 minutes runtime, detachable battery, 80,000 RPM brushless motor, LED display, 6-in-1 lightweight upright vacuum for pet hair, carpet, car and floor.
That was over my head.
That's what they're calling it on Amazon. So this is available on Amazon in the UK for £239.99.
Which is making me think it's going to be a good one.
Yeah.
Right.
Over to you, Mazzy. Let's open this, see what's
Let's
inside.
open it. Now I'm a little bit nervous really because, to be fair, let's be real, the motorhome probably isn't the right place to be testing this, but we're going to still give it a go. Oh, nicely packed, look. Oh, instructions.
The thing is, we have used some top of the range vacuums in the past.
Yes.
So it's got a lot to live up to as this.
I use the G-Tech, I'm not afraid to say that, and I highly recommend the G-Tech. But let's see how this goes, yeah? Right, straight away, there's a lot of bits. All right, so that's a bit daunting.
Get your bits out, Mazzy.
Get me bits out. Right, so we've got a charger.
Yep. All the viewers want you to get your bits out. Come on.
Oh, wall mounted possibly.
Wall mounted, yeah.
Right, so we've also got different attachments. That's handy. That might be the main attachment actually. What we got here?
A brush.
Can't get into some of these bags. A brush? That's a weird brush, isn't it? It's a weird
For
one.
carpets, I'd guess.
Wow, obviously. Now this, I don't know what this is, but it feels heavy in quality. Oh, it's metal. Okay.
It's a telescopic
actually
handle.
looks pretty good quality.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I think we're best doing, Mazzy, because there's another layer yet, isn't there? Yeah, there is. I think we're probably best getting all the bits out and then showing it all laid out, yeah?
That's one of my favourite attachments on any Hoover. Right,
Come
me
on,
get it out.
let's get Mazzy's bits out.
Get me bits out.
Right, we've got Mazzy's bits out. What do you think?
Very good so far.
Look at all these bits. No, sorry, it's not the kettle. It's just from there onwards.
It's like a proper Hoover, isn't it? You know, that's a proper Hoover for a house. I'm
So,
not used to seeing them.
that is the floor brush you picked up. Let's go through every piece. That's the
Right,
floor
so
brush.
this is your floor brush. Apparently this is for pet hair as well, is it?
I don't know. We're just going through the parts at the moment.
No, I mean the whole Hoover is meant to be good for pet hair as well.
That's a smaller one. That's a mini motorised brush.
Oh, okay. What's this one?
That's a dusting brush.
Oh, like curtains and
Don't know.
skirting boards.
That is
So that's your mount.
attachment clip. It's called. Yeah, so you can mount that on the wall. Yeah. That's called a crevice tool.
Yeah.
I know my stuff. I know my stuff. That's called a charger, Mazzy. They're called screws. Yeah, that's just to clean things with. What's that?
Your battery pack.
A battery pack, okay. That is your washable filter. Washable filter.
And this is your stem. Your main stem.
That is an extension rod.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Now I thought, oh, that's a bit short. I'm going to be down there. But look, check this out. It extends. That's great, isn't it, for storing and everything?
So we're thinking the idea with this is you can have it as a hand vacuum cleaner or a full-size vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
And just for people watching this who don't know us or our lifestyle, we live in a motorhome, not a house. So we can only test it in the motorhome because we're not in a house at the moment.
The best we can.
So we'll do what we can.
Yeah, right. So I do hope this is charged. I haven't been in this box, so let's just go with it. Yeah, I'm not going to read instructions. Women don't really like to. Right, so you can have that one on, but I'm going to use that one last. So that's your handheld system. Yeah?
Right. Are you going to turn it on?
Oh, I forgot about that, didn't I? So how do I turn it on then? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Right. So it's just a trigger.
So from that, Mazzy, what attachments can you put on the handheld one?
Well, I was just about to see. So you can get your little crevices on. I think you can get them all on, yeah? You can get your curtain one on. Yeah. So like if you're doing your
Mini
car,
one. That'd be what you want, really.
yeah.
What about the massive one? I don't know if you'd really use that, would you? On a handheld?
Depends what you're using it for, doesn't it? You can stick it on there, yeah.
You know what you look like? The Terminator.
Do I?
You did then.
Did I?
Yeah.
Right, so let's just get this set up then, shall we?
Yeah, let's get it on the full size.
You know me, I don't like to mess around. Let's just do this. Yep, in you go. Stretch it out.
Now you look like the Terminator.
Hold on, not yet.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Let's get the full head on first, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's well easy, isn't it? I'll tell you what, this is actually quite heavy. This has got some quality in this.
That is class.
Right, so before I start, I need to make my floor a bit dirty, don't I?
Well, to start with, let's just see it in action. Can you turn it on?
Does
And
it actually stand? It stands up on its own!
can you turn it on?
Yep, so you just put your foot...
Oh, it's got lights. Oh, it looks like a robot.
It goes round corners, look, watch.
Oh, wow. This is better than we expected.
This is much better than I expected.
Right. I'll tell you now, just before we started making this review, Mazzy said, if this is rubbish, I'm going to tell them all. I'm going to be completely honest.
Absolutely. And I'll tell you why, we got sent a Hoover once before and it was so rubbish, didn't even review it.
We didn't even put the video up because we don't like to put a video up if something is really, really rubbish.
Yeah, as you all know.
But so far, this is quality.
I'm going to put a few things on the floor. Shake and vac. Yeah.
Shake and vac for people outside the UK. This is just like a
carpet
freshener.
Let's dump a load of sugar down there, yeah?
What, my sugar?
Yeah,
thank you.
Let's get it right in the corners.
Yeah, it's not cheap in sugar.
I might regret that. Right, let's give this a go. Now, does it tell you how much battery it's got left? Oh, it does, look.
So it's got 2 lights out of the 3, so it's about 66% charged.
That's your charging port. And that's how you take your battery off. Right. Okay, now shaking back can be hard for any Hoover to get it all up, so I'm not really expecting it to...
Yeah, but hang on a minute, Mazzy.
Yeah.
It's got different speeds. To me, that sounds like you've got it on a low speed.
How do you change the speed?
I don't know.
I didn't know it had.
Come back to us.
Look, it's already picking up, look.
Yeah, but it needs to be picking more up than that. I think there's a more powerful speed. Let's have a quick look. So...
figured this out.
It's got 3 speeds.
Speeds, yes.
So to start with, it wasn't picking everything up. It was on speed number 1.
Yeah.
Do you want to try again, Mazzy?
Well, I'm just going to show you where to look when I put the Hoover on. This is your speedometer, but...
come here. This has got a peel off front. Let's peel it off to make it look even more beautiful. Oh, you beautiful darling.
Right, I'm going to test it on the low one first.
Go on then.
Do you want to swatch this? Look, that's your low one. No, I think that's medium,
that's
actually.
medium.
So that's your low.
So you've got low. Let's just try it out. There's your speed button.
It's
there.
a magic button.
So that's full, low, medium, high. 3 different speeds. So, oops. Right, you're on low.
Yeah, see, it's not really a button, it's just like a touch.
A touch screen thing, yeah.
Yeah.
So it is getting quite a bit up, but not everything, yeah?
Well, you can hear it.
You can hear it.
It's getting stuff up. Obviously, though, you're going to want... It's actually cleaned my mat there, look.
Yes, it is going to take less power, but come on. If you've got a strong, powerful Hoover, you're just going to want it on full speed, aren't you?
Yeah. Right, now, we'll be honest, this ain't nothing to do with the Hoover, and I'm not... This sinks into the carpet, and it is hard to pick up, right? So it's probably going to look right. Right, let's get on medium. hear it picking it up, can't you?
Get it on full, Mazzy. Come on, whack it up. It's on full. Right, what can it do? I'll tell you what the problem is.
It's
the grains of the carpet go this way, and she
Yeah.
can't go that way really because we've got such a small
it's not that.
space.
The shake and vac does sit in the carpet, even with my Hoover.
So this is,
I'll tell you what, I'm actually very, very impressed. It's actually getting right up to my skirting board there.
I think you need your crevice tool.
Yeah, look at that, look, it's getting right under my cupboards. And I'm not even breaking me back. Yay!
So before you try the rest with your crevice tool,
Yeah.
can I just point this one out? So this is something, it does come with bracket with your raw plugs and your screws, so you can fix this to the wall, and in there will go all your attachments, look, and it will hang off the wall, which is very handy.
Yeah. It's good for an upstairs Hoover, isn't it, kind of thing? Spare Hoover. Right, you ready?
Yeah, so now you're doing the crevices,
Yeah, I'm just going to do some crevices. There's some sugar there. Forget about that. Right, let's get some sugar up, yeah?
Go on then.
See how good this is. Oh, yeah.
It's not bad. Yeah, it's definitely getting it up.
Oh, turned it off. Am I on full speed? Full speed.
Yeah, it's working.
It's really good. I'm actually really impressed.
We've got other things to try, Mazzy.
Yeah, I know.
Try the mini one.
I'm just really excited.
This is the mini motorised brush.
Right, so I'm going to just use this without the handle. What else can I hoover? I don't know if I've got any more sugar on the floor.
Well, I can give you some more shake and vac, Mazzy.
No, that's just staining me carpet. Go on then. Full whack.
Full whack. There you go.
Smells nice. I'm actually really impressed. I'd say I'm a bit of a Hoover guru. Hoover guru? Is that such a word?
I'll tell you what. Yeah, there is still bits on the floor of sugar and shake and vac. That is perfectly normal. Honestly, we have got. I think the one we use, the one we've been using for the last couple of years is what, £400 or something, maybe more.
I don't know how much that is. I don't know actually.
It's probably the most expensive on the market, and even that leaves bits of things like that down there.
Yeah, it does.
But
that
general muck.
Yeah.
This is going to pick it up.
The general muck for me was round here, and that has picked it up.
Yeah, that's
So,
gone. That's gone.
That's gone. Right, so now this is my dust cleaner. So I need to find some dust.
So we don't know if this is, I'm guessing, curtains. You could use it for...
Yeah, on your soft furnishings.
Go on, just give that a quick go.
Freshen up your mattresses, your beds and stuff.
Yeah, impressed with that.
Right, so the only bit of dust I know I got is this down here. It's like,
oh yeah,
it's like a vent, right?
Go on then.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Let's give this a go. Oh, yeah.
You've got it on a low setting as well, but it has got it all off.
That's it.
Excellent.
It's got it all off. I love this. I actually really like this. Look, it's picked up loads, isn't it? See all that?
Wow.
Yeah, I like this. Quite impressed. Oh.
So this is where I come in, looking at specs and reading instructions.
The important stuff, yeah.
It's clever. It just does. It doesn't just vacuum. It tells you stuff. So this is a display. Is that where you pressed?
Yeah,
oh no, that's your speed, which is just touch.
But this is what, yeah, you saw it on there.
There's your display. On there it shows you which speed you're using, which power you're using, but on this side there will be a red light if this is full.
indicating when this needs emptying. Yeah,
That's clever.
that's really clever.
But what I find really clever, on this side, a light will come on, a red light, if that brush
It's full of hairs.
is
and
full of hairs.
As we all know, we have to pull out the hairs
Yeah.
all the time, don't we?
Or this brush, if any of them are full of hairs, it's going to tell you. How does it know? How does it
no
know?
idea, but that's really clever.
So it takes 5 hours to charge up, and I'm just looking at the usage time now. Vacuums do run out of power pretty quickly anyway, these
they're
rechargeable
cordless.
ones, the
Yeah.
cordless ones. On high power, you're going to get about 14 minutes. On the middle power, about 20 minutes. On low power, about 40 minutes. So now I can see, yeah, you do want it on low if it's going to work.
Yeah, it's not the greatest battery lifetime if you ask me, but 14 minutes. But let's say you kept it on medium. You're hoovering every day anyway, so I mean you're getting 20 minutes out of it then, aren't you?
Well, the battery capacity is 2,500 mAh for all you men out there. Times 7. Looking at what these different heads do, so your big main one down there, it says the floor brush suitable for wood, tile, marble and other hard floor surfaces, as well as large pieces of dirt and debris. The mini one for vacuuming dirt, pet hair and other stubborn debris from sofas, bedding and other fabric surfaces. And this impresses me. Dusting brush suitable for vacuuming cracks, desktop particles, car garbage and computer keyboards, Mazzy. Everyone's got a mucky keyboard.
Yeah, this would be gentle enough on your keyboard. Yeah, that's great.
Are you going to clean my keyboard for me quickly?
I actually cleaned that yesterday.
Yeah,
so
but do it properly with a vacuum cleaner.
I did it yesterday.
I want it doing again. Come on, come on. I'll do it, shall I?
I'm just pleased you know how to turn it on.
I'm just pleased I've got all that muck out from underneath my keyboard. That's fantastic news. Thank you very much.
And the main bit for me is emptying it. We all know this can be quite a difficult job. So I'm not going to read instructions. I'm just trying to...
What?
Oh! Okay, maybe I should have read the instructions.
It's easier than you thought.
It was easier than I thought. I thought this was all going to come off. Yeah, that was a lot easier than I thought. Now,
That's incredible.
yeah, that's actually really easy because if I be honest, my G-Tech one is quite difficult to get off.
Yeah, you have to try and pull
Yeah,
at it.
it's annoying.
What did you do with this? Because I didn't
Just
catch
did
it.
that.
Literally press a
Yeah.
button, it opens at the bottom and it all falls out. Brilliant.
Yeah. Now I've got a hoover.
You've also got a little cleaning brush here as well. I'm guessing that's just to get inside if you need to.
Yeah, that's just to clean your ins and outs. So what do I think of it? Amazing. I think this is a really good product. What do you think, babe?
Well, I've never used a vacuum. Well, that's the first time I've ever used a vacuum in my life when I did the keyboard then. So I can't really compare it to other vacuums. But it seems all right to me.
I've used good ones. I've used Dysons. I've used all sorts of ones. All these, you know, the cordless ones. And this is up there. It is up there. It's not just your cheap rubbish one. So that's really good. I'm really impressed with that.
And is the price of this cheaper than
It's just,
your big mate?
it's just your average. I'd say it's your average.
So can you get a Dyson one at the same
I
price?
don't know. I don't know.
I wouldn't have thought so.
Probably not. No.
So yeah, we're
And
happy
if I
with
be
that.
quite honest, I don't even rate Dyson anyway. So, but this is good. Yeah, really chuffed. Thank you.
Okay, so this was the cordless vacuum from Kalado. If
That's
anyone's
your model number.
If anyone's interested, there will be a link in the description where you can get these from. It gets a thumbs up from the travel trolls.
Absolutely, and I'm going to still keep using this and testing it out. Keep giving you updates with it.
See you all very soon. You have a good night. Bye bye.
Bye. I hope you're cleaning that up.
I'm not.